Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
Hey guys, thank you for tuning back to my channel. My name is Mimi Carvel and I'm back at it with another wig review. So today's unit is sent over by SAMSBEAUTY, so I'd like to say thank you SAMSBEAUTY for sending over this unit. All right, okay, but before we even get started, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Hey, what's going on? If you've already been down with the M game, thank you for sticking down with the M team. So since you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and make sure you click that notification bell so you guys don't miss any more of my uploads in the future. All right, period. We can get started. All right, so I might be sniffing a little bit because my allergies, this is the season, so my allergies is already like flaring up. So okay, yeah, but just in case if I'm sniffing in a bit. Okay, so today's unit we are reviewing Sensational What Lace Cloud 9 Swiss lace wig, LATISHA, and I have her in the color Flamboyage. I'm excited to try this unit, but at the same time a little bit worried because this is big, really big, natural textured hair, not big and curly, big and natural. So I'm a little afraid of that. So this is how, I don't know if you guys can see how the boxing look. Let me just take her off the packaging. And the packaging, I don't know, with Sensational lately, their packaging been like sticky, so I am not sure why is that. All right, so bring this closer up. I need my supplies next to me. So I already cut the lace, you guys. You know this is a per usual because I suck cutting lace on camera. And here she goes. This is so cute but so big. I'm a little bit worried, so hopefully I slay this unit at the end. So we'll see how the outcome is. So this is how pretty and curly, not sure if you guys can see, look how pretty, curly and bouncy this is. Super pretty. I'm loving the color. I love that it has like streaks of 613 blondish on the side, and this is like all sandy. Okay, so this unit is a 13x6 frontal. Is it 13x6? Before I even, let me see, is it 13x6? I be feeling like I'm wrong, but let me check. I don't want to be wrong. Yes, it's a 13x6 frontal with the ear to ear with the 6-inch deep hand hide. Yep, that's what it's saying. So here is the 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back with an adjustable strap. Here is the lacing, and just look how beautiful this is. It's supposed to be pre-plucked. It doesn't really look too much pre-plucked, but I don't really worry about that. But let me go ahead and show you guys the stock card before I forget. So this is the stock card, and of course inside the stock card shows you like different ways you can part this unit, and the traditional I guess detectable and customized lacing. And in the back show you all the colors here. I thought I had got the blonde, I think the flamboyage blonde, but oh well, sand would do just fine. So yeah, let's see. So I think I already adjusted the straps, and I am worried. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see. Okay, ooh, she is big. Shaka Khan in the house. Oh my god, she's huge. She's so huge. I want you guys to see all of it. Let me move that a little bit. But yes, she is so huge. Oh my gosh, what am I gonna do with this? Okay, so with this you can part it several different ways. So if you want, you can part it in the middle. So I want you guys to see how that's looking. Real nice. I didn't even do anything, matches my skin tone. That's the trick with the neutral cap that I wear. Instead of me just spraying and putting powder and everything, I don't really have to do much. I might have to put light powder, but I don't really have to do much. You can part it on the side for all the side babies. You guys know I'm a side chick, not in real life, but I'm a side chick when it comes to parting. Originally this is my side right here, so we'll see how we're gonna do this. I don't even know. This is big. This is big, like, but it's beautiful, but it's big. I'm a little worried. So let me go ahead and fix her up. I'm not sure if I'm putting baby hairs. I think I might. I always put baby hairs, and I always go ahead and say, oh, I'm not gonna put baby hairs. So I'm gonna go ahead and put baby hairs, fix her up real quick. This part's gonna be sped up. So at the end of this clip, I'll tell you guys the pros and the cons and what I think about this unit right here, Miss LATISHA. All right, so we're about to get started. See you guys in the next clip. Hey guys, so I am back and this is the finished look. Oh my gosh, big and beautiful. Big and beautiful. I don't know how to feel about this, to be honest, because it's so thick and it feels like natural textured, like really natural textured hair. It's so big and bold and flamboyant, like flamboyant, that's the color it is. It's big, but I like it a lot. Like, I don't know how to feel about this. I'll let you guys be the judge, but I think she's so cute. I don't know, she's so freaking cute, but she's so damn big. So damn big. So I be feeling sorry for people that have a lot of hair like this, natural hair like this in real life. It's a lot of work. I am not gonna lie. I tried my best, but it is a lot of work, baby, to work with this hair. Like, I need to put like a clip or something on the side. Like, I'm trying to be cute at the same time. But all right, enough talking. So this unit I brought, I was about to say I brought this unit. This unit, if you want to purchase this unit off of SAMSBEAUTY's website, it's going for a total of $54 for the non-colored hair, like colored units. So these colors here is going to be an extra $4, so it's going to be $58 with the $4 upcharge. And some of the pros and cons about this unit, I don't really want to say I have cons, but I think this unit here, okay, I was looking for this. I think this unit here is perfect for someone that just love big hair and just want to do like a photo shoot. I don't think this is for every day, because you will get hot. Like, I'm starting to get hot a little bit, but it's beautiful, but it's just so big. So this unit is 100% hand tied. It's pre-plucked. I felt like it wasn't pre-plucked, but that's fine with me. It did come with baby hair, and it's supposed to have a translucent Swiss lace for a seamless hairline, which I do believe that is true. As you guys can see here, the hair lining looks really real and natural, and that's what I think they were going for, and I love it. Also, yes, it is 13 by 6 ear to ear. I think I mentioned that already. Pre-plucked, natural density, and it's not heavy at all. So I know people will ask me that. It's not heavy at all. It's very lightweight and bouncy. I think that the density is perfect for this hair, being the fact it's synthetic. So I think they really nailed that on the head. So yeah. Yeah, about yeah, I just had a brain fart. But yeah, so this unit, I think this unit is big head friendly. I did show you guys you could part it in the middle or either side, left or right. I love the texture. It's just big, too big for me, I should say. But if I would like go out on, like, I think for me, I would say fall. This would be perfect for the fall, winter, to keep you warm. This unit here will keep you warm. The texture that is giving me, of course, it's giving me, of course, a natural texture, yaki feel, but it's not like nappy feel. You know how some people have yaki hair, natural texture pressed hair, and it's feel like nappy. It's real soft to the touch, which I like already. It doesn't shed. It shedded just a little bit, which I was impressed, because I would have thought that it would shed it a lot. So it did shed just a little bit, which was to be expected. It doesn't tangle so far. Probably I feel like a little nip, but it doesn't really tangle so far. The length, I think this is giving me up to like my belly button, which I think is fine. I am loving the color. From the scale 1 to 10, let's be honest, I give this unit, I give it a 7.5 because of the color. I love how cute it looks like this on the side. I didn't want it to be a part in the middle because I felt like I didn't know what to do with this hair, since this hair is so much. It's so big, but it's beautiful. It's really big and beautiful, but it's just not really for me. I'll let you guys be the I'll let you guys be the judge for that, I meant to say. And you guys tell me what you guys think. I have these like little, I'll show you. It's like a little side clip. Let me see if the camera, come on. Yeah, it says star, so I'm trying to see if I can put it on the side, because I want this side to be tucked behind my ears. But let me see, because I really wanted this side to be tucked behind my ears, but the hair is so damn big. Oh, it did it. Oh, okay, that's cute. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, this is so freaking cute. Oh, I love it even more. I don't know what this accessory did, but this is so freaking cute. Look, it says star. Oh, okay, that's cute. And it has some more. It has like other little hairpins that you can add onto there. But I think this is so freaking cute. Just want to fix it up a little bit to be straighter. Perfect, because I wanted this part to be tucked behind my ears, but it's so damn big it was pushing my ears back. But I think this is a look. Let me turn around for you guys so you guys can see how the back and the side look. So this is the side, this is the back. So full. Oh my gosh, so freaking cute. Oh, this is a look. Oh, this can be a thumbnail right here. Normally I don't use the thumbnail that's supposed to be on the, okay. Oh, this is so cute. This is cute right here. All right, I can put it towards one side. This is so cute. So I am feeling this look. I'll let you guys be the judge. Tell me what are your thoughts about this look, this look and this unit here. I know I am late to the party, but you know, it's better late than never. So I'm glad I got to try and experience this unit for myself. And I do like this unit, but it's just so big. I don't think it's for me. But if I am gonna bring this unit out again, I will bring this unit out in the fall, of course, most definitely. I ain't gonna lie about that. But we'll wrap this up and stop right here. If you guys enjoyed this look, make sure you comment your thoughts and give me 2 thumbs up for this look. Make sure you check out the description box down below, because everything about this unit will be down below, including the link. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and click that notification bell so you guys don't miss any more of my upload. And don't forget to follow my Instagram, which is Mimi Carvel Beauty. I have 2 pages. Make sure you follow the one with the beauty. And yeah, I think that is about it. Ooh, for this look. Like, she's so big. Ooh. All right, guys, love you. See you in the next one. Mwah.